Whenever you see this kind of question, do not panic, for they are the most simplest question. Watch to the end as you solve step by step. Now we are asked to find the value for x. We are given here to be 70 degrees. This other side will be 110 degrees. And here, we don't know. So what do? The first thing, if we observe very well, we can find out that what? This line here and this line here that goes like this, they are vertical lines, okay, that touch themselves, intersect here. Now, we can now say that this angle here will be equals to what? 70 degrees. Why? Because we have a theorem or a law which says that vertically what? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, which means here is what? 70 degrees. Okay? Now, this angle here, let us bring it out from here like this, which is here, and angle go like this. We have here to be what? 110. Then we don't have here, which is this place. To get this small side here, what do? We can now see that what? You can give it to be what? Angle y. Then we can say y degrees plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y. We say the reason is because sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line. Mind you, this is a straight line and we have angle here and that angle here. Now, we now say y degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So y degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. That gives us 70 degrees. How do we bring this to be negative? As long as positive sign crosses equality sign, it becomes negative. The sign changes to what? Negative. Now, our y is now what? 70. Don't forget, our y is from this side, which means here is now 70 degrees. Now, we solve further. We now see to get this place, don't forget, this is now a triangle. From like this, you can see it very well, right? Now, here is angle 70 degrees. Here is angle 70 degrees. We can give here to be p degrees. Okay? Now, therefore, we now say 70 degrees plus 70 degrees plus p degrees equals to 180 degrees. Why is this rule? We can now say that sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angle in a triangle. That is a law or rules or theorem. Now we can now add up 70 plus 70. It gives us 140 degrees. Then plus p degrees equals to 180 degrees. So what do? We have number and alphabet. Therefore, we can now collect like them to separate numbers from alphabet. Now we say p degrees equals to 180 degrees. As I've been saying, as the moment that 140, which is a number, comes to meet 180, the sign is here, is positive, is going to become negative 140 degrees. Now you have p degrees equals 140 minus 180 minus 140. That gives us 40 degrees, which means that p, which is this is now what? 40 degrees. Now that you have successfully gotten our what? This angle, which is here, 40 degrees. How can we get x? Now to get x, don't forget that we have an angle that goes like this. This side is 40 degrees. This place is x degrees. So what do? Don't forget this is a straight line and we have angles on it. So the sum, if we add this and this, is going to give us 180 degrees. So we can now say x degrees plus 40 degrees equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? The reason is sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line. Therefore, let us collect our like term. Collecting like term, we have x degrees equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. The sign crosses equality sign, it becomes negative. So I have x equals to 180 minus 40, and that gives us 140 degrees, and this becomes our final answer, which x is now equals to what? 140 degrees. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and follow for more. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.